Thank you very much, Lloyd Man, the All The Way Band. Thank you. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and those watching all over the world, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Rockman and Punk, of course, Lloyd Man, the beautiful happy peeps. Yes! The beautiful happy people. Every single night we do this, and every single night, I don't know why we do this. Pero okay naman, di ba? Ganun eh. We're here to talk about the current issues and not dwell on them, but make, not really fun, but at least look at the fun side of things, di ba? Di ba? Katulad nung nangyari recently, isn't it fun to watch them, yung away-away sa daan, yung MMDA? Nakapanood niyo ba? Di ba? Isang parang galing eh. Kasi ang tingin ko doon parang true, hindi cartoons na Tom and Jerry. Ano ba yun? Pabros and Carabuena. Pabros. We found out that this Carabuena guy is an Atenean.
Uy.
Yeah, Kaya lalong masama man loob ng MMDA, ginanon siya and he was wearing blue. Where is the brotherhood there? No?
Correct.
I mean, I would understand kung kulay green yun eh. Baka hindi lang yun inabot niya eh.
Or yellow.
Anyway, using the iPad, also known as the incredible process of deduction. Di ba? We will explain to you, using Carabuena, kung bakit walang respeto at hindi maganda yung nangyari. Thank you, beautiful Marianne. Wow, they can only see the beauty down here. But it's all right. Okay. You have to help me out in this, okay? Carabuena. Ito yung medyo, yung bumisita sa atin na nakatalikod kahapon. I will now explain to you using the iPad, the intelligent process of deduction. Okay, we start deducing now. We start off with car. Diba? Car. Kitang-kita mo. Anong car? Car, yan ay, siyempre, kotse. Kotse or sasakyan. Sasakyan. Diba? Sasakyan. Then we go to Abu. Anong Abu? Abu Sayyaf. Di ba? Yan yung Abu Sayyaf. Ang Abu Sayyaf, yan yung aburido. Mga laging naiinis yan. Di ba? Inis. Pag aburido ka. Pero Abu talaga, yung Abu Sayyaf, masama yan. Di ba? Maganda. Di ba? So medyo masama or nananakit. Di ba? Nananakit. Nananakit. Di ba? Ito medyo, ano na to eh, medyo masakit itong, medyo masakit. Ayan, ito. Ayan. Itong ito ay parang ano, pag when you say parang, wala, wala, di ba? Parang nagulat, di ba? So parang nagulat, yun yun. So parang nagulat, di ba? Yan yung kadalasan, di ba? Di ba? Ano, di ba? Bakit? Di ba? Laging yan, no? Now we go to the last one. You have to help me out in this like you help me out in this one. Critical, when you say NA, this is not applicable. Pag not applicable, ibig sabihin, hindi tama.
Correct.
Hindi akma at hindi tama. Okay? Hindi akma at hindi tama. Okay. So, kitang-kita nyo, sa pangalan na lang, the word Carabuena or the name Carabuena, yung kanyang ginawa ay hindi akma, hindi tama, nagulat. Si Pabros, di ba? Dahil ang ginawa niya ay nakakainis at masama at nakakasakit nung bumaba siya ng kotse.
Hayyan!
Diba? Amen. Thank you very much.
Aray!
Wala namang ano.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Pare, do not war. Do not war.
Oo nga mas maganda sana kung mas malapit ka para kita ng camera.
Do not war. Because, that's bad for the health, bad for the traffic.
No! Oh my God! Heavy case. Very heavy.
Sige, 3 minutes na yung gagawin natin.
Oh my God. I have a solution for all of your problems.
Ano yun?
golden root.
Golden root. Wow.
15 special herbs and spices. When you use this, you become 18 again. 18 again. And you know, you have to go and stop all of your warring ways.
Yes. Golden root. Woo.
Yes, that's golden root. Your warring ways are now over.
We
And now we can go all the way.
Golden root. Available soon in your bedroom.
Ayun!
For you.
That's sweet.
Thank you. We'll be right back. More to Medyo Late Night Show with our friends from the Car Finder Group. Stay with us, friends.